This tutorial is going to show you how to check out books using our handy library manager software. How to process checkout transactions manually. So not using a barcode scanner. You can access the check-in and checkout feature in the library main administrator window, or the separate check-in/out module. We will process the checkout transaction in the library main administrator window. Open your library software. Click on the checkout button located on the toolbar. Select a borrower from the list, or enter the first few letters of the last name in the box, and select the borrower from the list box. Review the selection. Select the item from the list or enter the first few letters of the item's title in the item box and select the item from the list box. Click Checkout to finalize the checkout transaction. The active loans table lists the newly checked out item. The status of the item is changed to checked out. Copies available is decreased by 1. Click Close. Or, for the selected borrower, you can check out another item. That concludes this tutorial video on processing checkout transactions manually. Thank you for watching.